Okay.
Okay, great.
The land of Snow White is all true. From the song, oh, I'm free. I'm free to be. All of this life to me means so that I'm free of this evil queen. Because this
I'm
prince
recording
took me away and married me. Now I can go to the balls to see all the stuff above the world, above me.
We have a drama queen here.
Yeah.
Rare.
Yeah.
Original compositions.
I tell you, John, it's showing up. All that theatrics.
Look at, she's crying. Maggie.
Sing tomorrow. Can you sing tomorrow?
Yes, I'll come out tomorrow, so you better hang on until tomorrow. There'll be sun, so it's gray and lonely. I just dig out my tears and grin and sing. Tomorrow, I love ya. Tomorrow is only a day away.
Yeah. We'll be able to.
Oh, that's wonderful. I didn't know my camera would do that.
Miss Hannigan will always be not come true or come true for you. For you may have a mean babysitter who won't babysit you. For all of the sakes of me to give to you, the deals to take care away is to have a good life. Get a new babysitter who's nicer.
Yeah.
What's next? It's your turn.
So over the rainbow, skies are gray, and our dreams that you heard of may come true.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
The place where lemon drops. Oh, over the rainbow. Skies are blue, and the dreams that you heard of may come true. Somewhere over the chimney, you'll find me. Place